Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for NHS application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To sign up for NHS application, first make sure you've downloaded the application on your device. If not, go to your Play Store or simply open up your web browser and download the application, and once you have it, tap it open. From the first interface, tap on Continue with NHS Login option, and now tap on Continue after going through the information. You can use the app to get your NHS COVID pass, order repeat prescriptions, book and manage appointments, get health information and advice, view your health records, manage your organ donation decision, and view your NHS number. To create an account, you must be age 13 and over, and you must be registered at the GP surgery in England. After you're done with going through all the information, tap Continue at the bottom. And now, on the next page, go ahead and enter an email address. Make sure to enter the valid email address and tap Continue. In order to set up a new NHS login, tap Continue again. Create a password for your account by typing into the text box. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters or more. It should also include one capital letter in your password. If you'd like to double check your password, you can tap on this show button right next to it. Confirm your password by typing it again in the text box below. And finally, click Continue. Now a security code has been sent to your email address that you just entered. Go ahead and open up your email, and you should receive a code in your inbox. Simply copy the code, go back to NHS application again and type in the code in the text box, or simply paste it in. Tap Continue after you're done. And now you'll need to enter your mobile number. Go ahead and type it in the text box and you'll receive another 6-digit security code, this time on your mobile number. After you're done, tap Continue. If you have an international phone number, then tap on this box right here, and once you select that, you'll need to type in your country code along with your phone number, and the example has been displayed over here as well. If you don't have an international phone number, then you can uncheck this box and tap Continue. Soon after you do that, you'll receive an OTP code on your mobile number. Simply type in the OTP code and follow the on-screen prompts in order to sign up for NHS. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.